Hey guys, this is Neetu and welcome back to my channel Neetu Bansal Official. I hope that you all are doing great guys. So guys, in today's video I'm again up with a review, and it is the review about this PAC makeup brush cleaner. This is instant brush cleaner, 2-minute cleaner from PAC. And guys, if you want to see the review, then please continue watching. So guys, do you know that makeup brushes gather a lot of bacteria and we need to clean them regularly, but deep cleansing of brushes requires a lot of time and energy, and the drying process is also time consuming. So I have a solution for you guys. This is the PAC instant makeup brush cleaner. So what I need is some tissue papers and this makeup brush cleaner. I'm just folding this tissue as per the requirement and just spraying this on the tissue. Now you can see that the brush is dirty, and now swirling this brush over here, you can see that it is picking up the blush, and I think I have used a foundation also. This is working quite effortlessly. Now on the drier side, just use the back and forth motion. You can see that it is clean now, and within 10 to 15 seconds it is ready to use again. So if you are short of makeup brushes, and if you are a beginner, if you are a college going girl, this can be very useful, as you need to have just 2 to 3 brushes and you are done guys. You can see that it is almost clean. But guys, this is not a deep cleansing of brushes. It is clean enough to use again, but this is not a deep cleansing of brushes. You need to clean your brushes after every week guys, and it is mandatory to maintain their hygiene and to reduce the bacteria buildup in the brushes. The other way to use this is to spray this directly on the brush and then again use the back and forth motions on the tissue paper until it is properly clean. This is an easy and time-saving method of cleaning the makeup brushes rather than using them dirty on your face. This is quite healthy and hygienic way to clean your brushes regularly in case you are into makeup every day. And guys, you can see that it is clean now. There is no need for the drying time. Within 10 to 15 seconds, it is ready to use. You can clearly see that the brushes are squeaky clean now, and these are dust and bacteria free now, and these are ready to use within seconds. So guys, what I really like about this cleaner is the brushes are ready to reuse again within seconds. This is not a time consuming process, as the deep cleansing of brushes requires a lot of time to clean the brushes and further the drying up process. But this is not the case with this makeup brush cleaner. There is no washing time, there is no drying time guys. It is just 10 to 15 seconds and your brushes are quickly clean and dry to reuse. But just remember guys, the deep cleansing of brushes is also mandatory after every week, because this cleaner doesn't deeply clean the brushes, as this cleanses the brushes from the outer surface only, not deeply cleanses them, which is mandatory after every week also. And guys, this is a must-have for people who use makeup almost every day, and they can be anyone, housewife or a person who is interested in makeup, an office-going person or even a professional makeup artist. This makeup brush cleaner can be useful for everyone who is interested in doing makeup for every day. So guys, that's it about today's video, and it was the review and demo of this makeup brush cleaner from PAC. And if you are doing makeup every day for any purpose, then this can be very useful to you guys. This is a good investment guys. So guys, that's it about today's video. I hope that you liked this video, and if you did, then give this video a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye bye.